Scientists discovered a parallel universe where physics and time run backwards. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. You are appreciated. I am grateful. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. You know what it is. This is Myraa Mail. Today's video is a little unexpected. I did not plan this video. I will be honest with you guys. It is about parallel universes. I don't know if you guys know, but there was something that was posted by Lil Duval. This was posted by him. Someone who was following him sent it to me because they know that that's what I love. That's what I live for. So I said, you know what? Lil Duval posts, and I don't know if you know who Lil Duval is, so you can go ahead and do your research and look him up. He's a comedian, TV personnel, all the good things. He has an Instagram account and he posts on his Instagram an article, and I'll read it actually verbatim. I'll go to the screenshot right now. NASA scientists detect parallel universe next to ours where time runs backwards. Now, if you know me, you know why I'm excited. You know why I'm excited. You know why I'm juiced about this, because I have created a video already about parallel universes and why they in fact do exist. If you have not checked that video out, I suggest you look at this one first and then look at that one afterwards, and check out that video after this one and you will see why I'm so excited about this. This article was actually released as of May 19th. I am recording it today on May 19th. So I didn't want to miss a beat. I just wanted to get it out there. Someone sent this to me randomly, so I wanted to use this as a perfect opportunity to talk about it. So, NASA scientists discovered a parallel universe where physics and time run backwards. I said, you know what? Let me do some research. Let's do some digging. So, what I wanted to do was find the exact article that Lil Duval actually posts, but I did some digging of my own. I found 2 or 3 articles that were written as of today with the same exact headline and are very credible sources. So my very first source is the New York Post. So the New York Post is the first article that comes up. Actually, it's the second article. So I typed the exact headline. So I wanted to do some digging. So I typed in the headline. The first article that shows is written by the Technology Times. The second article was written by the New York Post. New York Post is an article that I actually am familiar with, so I will click that one first. I know that New York Post is pretty credible, so I doubt that they would have any fraudulent or any inaccurate information on their articles. So I went ahead and found this article. I read to you. This is all brand new to me, mind you. I have not read this article. I don't even know what to expect, really, you guys. In a scenario straight out of the Twilight Zone, a group of NASA scientists working on an experiment in Antarctica have detected evidence of a parallel universe where the rules of physics are the opposite of our own. The concept of parallel universes have been around since the early 1960s, mostly in the minds of fans of sci-fi, TV shows, and comics, and me, of course. And now, a cosmic ray of detection experiment has found particles that have been from a parallel realm that was born in the Big Bang. Experts use a giant balloon to carry NASA's Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, or aka ANITA, high above Antarctica, but higher energy objects are stopped by solid matter of our planet, according to the report. I found an article that will be a little easier to help us understand what ANITA actually is. ANITA is designed to hunt cosmic rays from our outer space. This instrument detects particles that seem to be blasting up from Earth instead of zooming down from space. Because cosmic rays should not do that, scientists began to wonder whether these mysterious beams are made of particles that have never been seen before. That means the high energy particles can only be detected coming down from space, but Team ANITA detected heavier particles, so-called neutrinos, which come up out of Earth. The finding implies that these particles are actually traveling backward in time, suggesting evidence of parallel universes according to the Daily Star. Principal Anita okay. So you guys, I'm trying to paraphrase this as easy as I can and translate it as simple as possible, put it into layman's terms for you guys. Personally, there's big words and I really don't understand, but low energy particles can pass completely through Earth, barely interacting with the substance of our planet at all. But higher energy objects are stopped. It means that high energy particles can only be detected coming down from our outer space. To detect a heavier particle coming up out of the Earth would imply that these particles are actually traveling backwards in time. And that is exactly what the Anita scientists have seen. Scientists suggest that the only way it could happen is if the particles had changed into a different type of particle before passing through the Earth and then back again. The article doesn't say too much, but it ends in saying, the simplest and therefore scientifically the most elegant explanation in this, at the moment of our Big Bang, two universes were formed. Ours and another one from our perspective, running in the reverse. Interesting. Yes. Oh, this is the article, guys. This is the actual article. So this is the article by Michael Morin. Okay. So the article continues. The article continues. That was only a segment. That was only a piece. The article continues. It says, of course, if there are inhabitants of this mirror universe, they'd see ours as the backwards one. If the team's findings aren't the results of a bizarre experimental error, the implications are incredible. Ibrahim Safa, who also works on the experiment, says, we're left with the most exciting or the most boring possibilities. That's funny. I want to find, there's something else, like,
hello. Hi, Grandma.
So the New York Post does say a little bit about it, and it does make it a little bit easier to understand. It's a little bit, I have to be all over the place. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find and gather as much information as I can. But the fact of the matter is that this article was written today, and that in Antarctica, they pretty much found particles going in the opposite direction. They pretty much have this detect particles that are right outside of our atmosphere, and they have detected that these particles are actually coming from the bottom up, not coming down from Earth. They're not coming into the Earth's atmosphere. They're actually particles that are going in the actual opposite direction, in reverse. The simplest explanation of the phenomenon is that the moment of the Big Bang Theory, 13.8 billion years ago, two universes were found, ours and one from our perspective that is running backward. And that is it. That is it. That is what it says. I am really interested. As of today, this was found. I just literally recorded a video 2 weeks ago. I didn't expect to post this or even talk about this, but it's really, really crazy that they say that they have found some evidence. I mean, these people have these technology, they have these devices that can detect crazy things. So it's crazy to me that as of today, 2020, it is something that they have found today. And I just had posted a video about parallel universes and how they do exist and how they are real. So I hope that you guys find this video interesting. I hope that you check out my other video about parallel universes and what it is to be in another dimension. Clues that parallel universes do exist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like these, let me know. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff if you enjoy content like this. I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, stay happy, beautiful people. Bye.